In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up meeting links in Hubspot. By the end, you will have a one-on-one scheduling page that you can share with contacts so they can book time on your calendar without back-and-forth emails. As you follow along, take a moment to think about the name you want to use internally, the link you want people to see, and the times you are comfortable offering. Start by logging into HubSpot and heading to the main navigation. Go to Sales, then click Meetings. This is the area where HubSpot manages your scheduling pages and meeting links. Once you are on the meeting screen, look to the top right and click Create Scheduling Page. This begins the setup flow for a new link. Next, choose the meeting type. Click One-on-One. This option is for a single host and a single attendee, which is the most common setup for discovery calls, check-ins, and quick consults. Now you will be prompted to enter an internal name. Type a clear internal name that helps you recognize this scheduling page later. For example, you might include the meeting purpose or length. This name is mainly for your organization inside HubSpot, so keep it simple and descriptive, then click Next. After that, you will set the page link slug. This slug becomes part of your scheduling URL, so it should be short, readable, and easy to share. Avoid spaces and keep it consistent with your naming style. Once you are happy with the slug, click Next. Now define your availability. This is where you decide when people can book meetings with you. Select the days and times you want to offer and make sure it reflects your real calendar habits. A good tip is to limit availability to blocks of time you can reliably protect, so meetings do not land in the middle of focus work. When your availability looks correct, click Next. You will then see the form fields screen. These fields control what information the attendee must provide when booking. For this setup, simply click Next to continue. Finally, review that everything is set, then click Create Scheduling Page. Your meeting link is now ready to use, and you can share it wherever you communicate with prospects and customers. And that is all there is to it.